Research, definition, research in a sentence, research pronunciation, research meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of research. 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 Research as a noun means the systematic study of something. Research as a verb means to investigate to gain a deeper understanding. Common usages in academic writing: medical research, graduate research, a research methodology, a research proposal, to research thoroughly, to conduct research. Example sentence: research, noun. Dr. Kelly hopes to find a cure for the disease in her ongoing medical research. The common academic writing variations are research, verb. I spent hours researching the various home treatments for plantar fasciitis. And researcher, noun. The researcher was under strict supervision from the government regulators. Please write a sentence using research in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you know the pronunciation of research, the meaning of research, and research example sentences. I'll see you in the next research paper word video. Bye.